So today we are going to start with topography. First of all, topography matlab it is a basic of class 9th and it is coming for 10 marks in your exam, and 10 marks MCQ and 10 marks map. Now first question arises that we don't know that topo आखिरकार क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है हमारे लिए. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एक सबसे बड़ा रीज़न है ये हमें 10 मार्क्स स्कोर करवाएगी ज्योग्राफी में. सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ टोपो क्वेश्चंस. सो टोपोग्राफी बेसिकली आपको हैंड रिटन में नहीं आती, इट्स कम्स इन प्रिंटेड शीट जो कि बोर्ड भेजता है. बट फॉर हेयर सम क्लूज आई हैव मेड इट ईजी so that there should be less problem in topo sheet. So now we are going to discuss some questions related to topo sheet, and different types of questions will be asked, and I have used maximum questions here so that there should be less problem in exam. Now the first and the main question arises that which is the most important settlement of the above map. So the most important settlement is settlement A, because there, and if the reason is there because we can see that metal road is passing through there, or pakka road, and there is important government jobs, offices, forts are there, and there is settlement. Second question, what types of huts are present in settlement C? Now the types of huts present in settlement C are temporary huts. Now give me the 4-grid reference of a star in star. So it is in grid. So we are going to give the 4-grid reference because 6-grid reference is cut in a syllabus. So it's, first of all, now it lies between 1 9 and 2 0. So we will take smaller number 1 9, and again in 0 1 and 0 2 it is lying, so we will take 0 1. So 1901 is the 4-grid reference of the star. Now this star is for tourist site. So now next question, what type of drainage pattern is seen in grid 1803? First of all we will take eastings, then northings. So 18 and 03, so we can see that tree branches are formed, so it is dendritic. Now what are the brown patches present in grid 18 and 01? So we can see that they are sand dunes, and they are present in maximum of our topo sheet. So next question, what do you mean by 2001, a brown patch written with 2R? So this question means that relative height of the sand dune is 2 meters. So sand dune has no depth, so it has only height. Now the next question arises that what is the direction of X Nadi flowing? So first of all we can see that there is a black arrow near 06. So we can have a glimpse that on drawing north is compass direction. So now we can see that it is flowing from northwest to southeast. Now next question, what types of trees are seen in above map? So the trees which are seen in above map are deciduous. Now next question, that what is the drainage pattern in grid 2101? So what obvious, there are contours and drainage pattern is inside, so it is radial. Now to which bank thus Y Nadi joins X Nadi? So now we can see that on standing on the arrow of the X Nadi, we can see that it will so where there are more concentration of deciduous trees, that is our left bank, and where we can see the settlements there, that is our right bank. So clearly it shows that the Y Nadi is joining X Nadi with from right bank. Now what does this black dots with the thin blue line represent in X Nadi? This represents that there is a dry river with the thin water channel and with sandy beds. Now next question, what are the conventional symbols seen in grid 1803? Now in grid 1803 we can see that there is broken ground, metal road is passing, covered tanks and dendritic drainage pattern. Now next, what is the occupation of people living in this area? First of all, there is, we can see that government jobs, tourism, they are also to matlab, tourist places are also there, so tourism also. And also we can see that open scrub is there, so means goat and sheep rearing is here done. Now what does 19 and 06 in grid 1906 represent? So we can see that it represent disappearing streams. Now what is the source of irrigation in this above map? So you tell me first. So the most important irrigation here is covered tanks and perennial lined well. Now what are these broken lines, red broken lines passing through settlement C? So these are unmetal roads or kacha roads. Now what does conventional symbol in grid 1806 represent? So we can see that it is also a dry river and there is also a dry tank with embankment. There is also perennial lined well and deciduous trees. Now what types of grid is having police station? So now we will see that 1902 is having police station. Now next question, what type of drainage pattern is seen in grid 2105? So in grid 2105 we can see that it is tressiled. So tressiled is the drainage pattern. Now what are the government jobs present in settlement A? So government jobs present in settlement A is 0. So we can see that hospital is there, veterinary is there, and also dispensaries are there, and police station is there. So these are all the government jobs present in the settlement A. Now what are the contours present showing in the grid or in the map, above map? So first of all we can see that in grid 2006 we can see conical hill, we can also see plateau, and we can also see a ridge. So now this for the contours, how to represent the contours. So now next, now what is the compass direction from settlement A to C? Now we have said from settlement A to C, means on C we will draw our compass north, east, south and west, and on drawing north, east, south and west we can see that the compass direction is northeast. So तुम लिखोगे that the settlement A to settlement C compass direction is northeast. So now next question is that what does this power line represent? So this power line represent that there is power line with unsurveyed pylons. Now next question arises that what is the distance from settlement A to settlement C? Now for direct distance you have to take the scale and then you will measure the sign. So सेटलमेंट सी से सेटलमेंट ए का डिस्टेंस, डायरेक्ट डिस्टेंस आ रहा है 6, तो ये आपका 6 सेंटीमीटर आ रहा है. सो नीचे आप स्केल देखोगे तो उसमें लिखा है 2 सेंटीमीटर टू 1 किलोमीटर. सो 6 को डिवाइड करेंगे 2 से तो हमारा टोटल 3 किलोमीटर आंसर है. 3 kilometer answer. Now next question is that what is the scale of this map? 1:50,000 is the scale of this map, which means that 1 centimeter on the map represent 50,000 on the ground. Now this were all the questions of the topo sheet. Now we will do the topo sheet once again with proper topo sheet. मतलब ये तो handwritten थे. So now I will also try to make the video with handwritten topo sheet. So hope so this video like. So you should like this video and मतलब समझ में आया होगा आपको. एक और क्वेश्चन जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, दैट एरिया बताओ हमें कि इससे लेके इस एरिया तक कितना है. सो अभी वो क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करते. आई एम सेइंग यू दैट मेरे को एरिया बताओ फ्रॉम ग्रिड फ्रॉम ईस्टिंग्स 18 to 20 एंड फ्रॉम नॉर्थिंग्स 20 to 25। सो पहले हम ईस्टिंग्स गिनेंगे। 18 to 20 मतलब 2 ग्रिड्स आए मेरे पास, एंड 20 to 25 मतलब 1 to 3 आए। सो एरिया इज इक्वल्स टू ईस्टिंग्स इंटू नॉर्थिंग्स। सो 2 into 3 हमारा 6 किलोमीटर स्क्वायर आंसर आ गया है ऑफ एरिया। One more question which is very important. You are traveling from cycle from Northing 01 to 06 with speed of 5 kilometer per hour. So now first of all we will first of all count grid. So from 01 1 2 3 4 5, so 5 किलो, क्योंकि वन ग्रिड इज ऑलवेज मतलब एक पूरा ग्रिड जो होता है वो 1 किलोमीटर का होता है। सो हमारा आंसर कैसे आएगा? स्पीड, डिस्टेंस और टाइम के फॉर्मूले से। सो डिस्टेंस इज इक्वल टू स्पीड इनटू टाइम। सो डिस्टेंस हमारा 5 किलोमीटर है और स्पीड भी हमारी 5 है। सो हमें निकालना है कि टाइम हम कितनी देर तक उसने कवर किया अपनी डेस्टिनेशन में पहुंचने तक। सो 5/5 कटिंग होगी। सो 1 आंसर आ गया एंड 1 आवर इज द टाइम जो उसको लगा पूरा ग्रिड जितना नथिंग्स उन्होंने दी है फ्रॉम 01 to 06 कवर करने में। सो थैंक यू। सो यही थे सारे क्वेश्चंस जो टोपो शीट के मैक्सिमम टाइम आस्क्ड होते हैं, एंड ऐसे के ही क्वेश्चन बोर्ड में भी आते हैं। बस वो थोड़ी सी टोपो शीट जो होती है वो हमें लगता है डिफ़िकल्ट है, वो भी इजी होती है। ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर 2023 एग्ज़ाम्स।